this was a good starting point. What we did today, this was a good starting point. Yeah, the other thing that you need to do if you've never done Advaita Vedanta before this in life, Advaita Level 1 videos, they are on the website, they are on YouTube, there's an Advaita Vedanta channel, or you join the Drigdrishya Viveka starting on June 27th. That's a weekly Zoom session. So once you begin the first journey, this thing you need to get established in. I'm not this body, I'm not this mind. I'm not convinced only. I get convinced for 1 minute, again I go back to my old belief. I get convinced for 1 minute, I get pulled into my temptations, my attractions of the waking state. So I'm not really convinced. I just know it theoretically, intellectually. Yeah, I have not really tasted the strawberry. I have only seen it, drawn the picture, know the color, very beautiful, but I've never really tasted it. Yeah, for tasting you need to marinate in that knowledge for some time. Again and again and again and again and again. And when you do Advaita Level 1, Srishti Drishti Vada, for some time, it becomes very clear, yeah, I am not this body and mind. Why do I keep getting consumed by this? This is so silly. So your consumption with time and practice of marination in that knowledge, that consumption in the body-mind will reduce. And you'll start recognizing, oh, I'm the witness. This is so silly what I'm doing. This is so silly. Unless that happens personally for Thiru. Thiru is your name, no? Unless that happens personally for Thiru, it has not happened only then. It has to happen first for you. It has to be a personal journey. It has got nothing to do with Thiru's family members, Thiru's friends, Thiru's Advaitin group. It has to personally be recognized by Thiru. When he sees it, aha, I am the witness, I am not the body mind. Then you can progress to the next level, no? Do you see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Otherwise, it's all theory after this. All this is theory because the first step is only not clear. Yeah? So this is a good start for you, a good encouragement that I need to get started with level 1 first and become fully established in that. No rush. All the courses are online, everything is free, it will forever be online and it will always be free. Don't worry, nothing is going anywhere. No rush. I will do it at my own pace. Make yourself comfortable. First be at peace. Yeah? When you are at peace, then you marinate in this knowledge, in this wisdom. And then the more you marinate, it grows on you. And it will become your realization. Then Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana can begin. It is the next step after recognition, I am not the body, I am not the mind. Yeah, that's what I explained right in the beginning. This is not a beginner's scripture, not Ashtavakra Gita. Yeah, you do Drigdrishya Viveka. You can come to Ashtavakra whenever we do. You get the encouragement from here, oh, this is where I need to get to. Get that encouragement. Yeah, join here, get the encouragement, go back, now I have homework. I have to complete Drigdrishya Viveka. Yeah, or Advaita Level 1 basic videos. Okay?
Okay, got it. Thank you.